we are freeze drying smoked turkey. So first off, I have to smoke the turkeys. They were whole turkeys. This is a 15-pound turkey. This is a 22-pound turkey. I got them for 33 cents a pound. So this one was $5 and some change, and this one was $7 and some change. I threw seasoning on there. I made a rub. It's got some chili powder that I made in one of my previous videos that almost killed me. Cumin, seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, and I think that's it. I then took Worcestershire sauce and stone ground mustard and put on the turkeys, rubbed it down, broke the skin off the breast area, put seasoning underneath the skin. So I'm not real worried about this being completely covered. I want the meat cooked, a little bit of flavor in it, because what we're going to do is we'll then take, I'm going to take drippings, throw 2 of these pans under there, catch some drippings, put one out there with water in it so it steams the turkeys. Then we'll take the carcass after we pull all the meat off that we're going to freeze dry, and we'll either put that in a crock pot or a roaster or something and break it down more and make a broth out of it. We might freeze dry some of the broth, skim the fat off, see what we can get, see if that's possible. If not, big of a deal. My mother's a canner. I can take the broth to her and she can can it for us. So we'll have canned turkey broth from this with the carcasses, and then we'll have the meat freeze dried for use later on down the road. There you go. I will get these in the smoker and bring you back when they are done. Stay with me. Alright everybody, turkeys are done. They took 8.5 hours. I gave them 8.5 hours to smoke. This was the big one. It fell apart when we pulled it out of the smoker. This was the small one, or they reversed. Maybe that's the big one. I can't remember. Whatever. So that's what they look like. They just fell apart after 8 hours. There's like 35 plus pounds of turkey. Here's the dripping pan. I can only get one in there. We're going to help make a broth out of that. So what we're going to do is let these cool. We will then tear as much meat off as possible, put them in our quart-sized freezer bags, and throw them in the freezer. And then I will bring you back when they come out of the freeze dryer. Stay with me. Alright, so we've got a lot of the turkey breast that is on the trays. We left them in kind of big chunks. There is a bag of stuff that we're going to use for broth. Right there is a bowl of turkey meat. I was about to say chicken. It's a turkey meat that we're about to put in pint bags or quart bags so we can freeze dry it later, because obviously my trays are full. And this is going to be our first batch of turkey broth. So we have to run 2 batches of turkey broth. Alright everybody, sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled program, but I just wanted to show you this. This is the smoked turkey broth. That is actually from the turkey that's in this video you're watching now. I just want to show you. I got 8 pints. I put it in the Instant Pot and let it cook on slow overnight. Thanks for watching this bit, and we'll return you to your regularly scheduled program. And 2 batches of, well, maybe 3 batches of freeze-dried turkey. We weighed it. It says we roughly got 11 pounds of meat. I don't know how accurate the scale was, because this is a lot of meat. So, alright, I will put this in the freezer. We will pre-freeze it, and I will get it in the freeze dryer and bring you back when it is done. Stay with me. Alright everybody, the turkey has been freeze-dried. I put it in for a couple extra hours because when I checked it the first time, I just wasn't confident with it being done. So it's nice and flaky or dry. Here's some of the dark meat I did. Same thing. I put paper towels underneath to catch any residual fat. That's a big word for me. So I've decided I'm going to put some in 1 quart bags or pint bags. Yeah, I think those are 1 quart bags. Yeah, 1 quart bags, and then I'm going to do some in 2 quart bags just to have the variety of a single meal to a double meal or a family meal, whatever you want to say. So, yep, that is the chicken. I've got another batch to do, or the turkey. I got another batch to do. I won't show that because it's going to be identical. depending on when I get this video uploaded to be edited and all that, I might be able to show you some broth that we got from the leftover parts of the turkey. So let's go ahead and reconstitute some. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of the dark meat. We'll just break it. I boiled some water, so we'll drop that in there like that. Probably got a little too much water, but it's okay. I don't know if you can see it. It's bubbling. It's bubbling right over here where the air's coming out of the turkey and getting. That's just. I'm still after all the freeze drying I've done, it's still just like the whole thing is like. I don't know, it freaks me out because it's just it returns to normal. That's crazy. So there's the get in the camera here. It's just like it came off the bird and been cooking all day on Thanksgiving dinner. So what's that? It's a piece of skin or something like that. Yep. So paper towels don't seem to have a lot of fat on them. So there we go. Let's see, where was it? There was some turkey. I keep wanting to call it chicken. Like right through here. It's collared from the smoke because I smoked them. So smells like turkey. All right, so if you guys could do me a favor, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. My channel is about freeze drying and all aspects of survival. So I appreciate you guys and everything you do for me. And until next time, remember, enjoy the outside.